Hello, hello. Naririnig ba ako?
Opo, naririnig po, Dok.
Hello. Okay. Simulan natin ako.
Good morning, guys. Naka-full screen na ba?
Yes po, Dok. Opo, Lola Heart.
Yung topic namin today is climate change. What is climate change? Climate change refers to long-term shifts in temperatures and weather patterns. These shifts may be natural, but since the 1800s, human activities have been the main driver of climate change, primarily due to the burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas, which produces heat-trapping gases. Weather and climate change. Yung weather is short-term state of atmosphere, while yung climate is long-term pattern of weather naman. Yung weather can change within minutes or hours. Sa climate, average weather over many years is in one specific place. Weather is what is happening outside your window right now. Short-term limited area can change rapidly, difficult to predict. Climate is the average of many years of weather observation. Long-term, wide area, seasonal, measured over long span of time. Importance of climate change and why do we need to study it? Climate change is already impacting human health. Changes in weather and climate patterns can put lives at risk. Studying the climate helps us predict how many rain the next winter might bring or how far sea levels will rise due to warmer sea temperatures. We can also see which regions are most likely to be affected by extreme weather or which wildlife species are threatened by climate change. Factors affecting the climate. Abiotic. Latitude, altitude, ocean currents, topography, solar radiation, evaporation, orbital variation, volcanic activity, while in biotic, respiration, photosynthesis, decomposition, digestion. Next po.
Hello. Masabi na lang po kung hindi ako naririnig. Next. So, dito naman tayo sa greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gas is a gas that absorbs and emits radiant energy within the thermal infrared range, causing the greenhouse effect. The primary greenhouse gases in Earth's atmosphere are water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and ozone. Ito yung mga greenhouse gases na nagpapainit sa ating planet. Next po. Then ito naman yung greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is a process that occurs when energy from a planet's host star goes through its atmosphere and warms the planet's surface, but the atmosphere prevents the heat from returning directly to space, resulting into warmer planet. So itong mga greenhouse gases is, sabi ko kanina, nagpapainit ng atmosphere sa Earth. So ganito yung nangyari. Yung radiation na binibigay ng sun is napupunta sa Earth. Kung makita yun sa picture, is yung infrared radiation na nai-emit ng sun ay mapupunta sa Earth. Tapos hindi siya nailalabas ng tuluyan. Some of the infrared radiation passes through the atmosphere, but some is absorbed by the greenhouse gases, like yung mga kaninang sinabi ko. Tapos nababalik siya sa Earth, parang nakukulong siya. Emitted in all directions by the atmosphere. The effect of this is to warm Earth's surface and the lower atmosphere. Planets with very little greenhouse effect are either very cold kasi nga walang magpapa-warm or wala yung mga gases na magpapawarm dun sa planet. Or they have a huge temperature swings from day to night. Next po. Planets with abundant of greenhouse gases are very hot. Kasi nga madaming mag-a-absorb ng init tapos ibabalik sa planet nila or sa planet. The greenhouse gas content in the atmosphere is being altered by human activity, and this result to the global warming. And next po. So ito yung before and after ng effect ng greenhouse effect. Yan sa nung 1906 po. Yan, madami pang yellow. Ewan ko kung saan to eh. Tapos 2004, ito, nakita nyo naman. Sobrang clear niya na. Yan, same sa isang picture. Yung ice glacier niya is wala na. Yan, next po. Effects of climate change to animals. Habitat loss. So, ito yung mga apektuhan ng climate change. Rising temperatures affect vegetation, food sources, access to water, and much more. Ecosystem may become inhabitable for certain animals, forcing wildlife to migrate outside of their usual patterns in search of food and livable conditions, while causing other animals to die off. So, ang nangyari is, sa pagtaas ng temperature, syempre nawawala rin yung mga vegetation, yung mga plants, yung mga kinakain ng mga o yung food sources ng ibang animals. So, ang mangyari yun is magmamigrate sila, syempre. Hanap sila ng mas magandang kapaligiran o kung saan mayroong food source. Tapos, forcing naman yung ibang animals din na umalis dahil may nag-migrate na ibang animals. Syempre, ayaw naman nilang, yung iba ayaw makisalamuha, ganyan. O yung iba, prey pala sila. Ganyan. Kaya namamatay rin yung ibang animals. Next po. Natural disaster. Already today, we face a 5-fold increase compared to 50 years ago in climate and weather-related natural disasters such as droughts, wildfires, and hurricanes. These disasters cause catastrophic loss of life and habitat for people, pet, and wildlife. So parang domino effect na rin yan eh. Kung magka-climate change, maapektuhan yung kapaligiran. Yan, lilindol. Pag lilindol sa water areas naman is mag-tsunami. And then, yung weather, thunderstorm, tas flood. Next po. Next po. Hello. Hello, hello. Tira ko sabihin.
Impact on animal health. It has direct impact on physiological and adaptation mechanism. Also, it has effects on disease, extension, emergence, and for indirect impact, there's feed security. Ang mga pagbabago sa climate change ay nakakapekto sa quality and quantity ng forage na ginagawa. As a consequence, maaring mabago ang productivity ng dairy animals. Heat stress is simply defined as the point where the animals cannot dissipate an adequate quantity of heat, maintain body thermal balance. Thermoneutral zone varies from 5 to 25 degrees Celsius for crossbreed cattle and buffaloes, and 15 to 25 degrees Celsius for sahiwikal cattle. Animals will active mechanisms para mawala or mabawasan yung excess heat at ma-maintain yung body temperature. Kaya naman, dapat mapanatiling tumaas yung energy ng 20 to 30%. For dry matter intake or DMI, decrease in animals subjected to heat stress is around 10 to 20%. In feed security, climate change have serious implications on feed security resulting in malnutrition, excess of scarcity of water resulting from drought, floods, heavy rains can affect production. In feed nutrient utilization, loss of sodium and potassium associated with heat stress due to increased sweating rate. Naiulat din na ang reproductive performance sa mga farm animals ay bumababa dahil sa heat stress. Growth gradients constant indicate that climate change ay may negative na nakakapekto sa paglaki ng mga animals. Tatagal ang puberty dahil sa pagtaas ng temperature. Na-observe din na yung time ng puberty ay mas humahaba or tumatagal ng 5 to 17 days dahil sa pagbaba ng growth sa mataas na temperature. Ang pagbaba ng milk production sa cattle at buffaloes dahil sa heat stress ay nagre-range ng mula 10 to greater than 25%. Ang new range of pests and diseases ay nakakapekto sa karamihan ng mga crop at forage species na may epekto sa quantity at quality ng livestock feeds. Ang pagbaha sa agricultural land ay dahil sa pagtaas ng sea levels na naglilid sa pagbaba ng ani ng mga pananim. Diseases, climate-driven, and other changes in landscape structure and textures, plus more general factors may create favorable ecological niches for emerging diseases. Abiotic factors impact on vectors, reservoirs, and pathogen bionomics and their ability to establish in new ecosystems. Changes in climatic patterns and seasonal conditions may affect disease behaviors in terms of spread patterns, diffusion, range amplification, and persistence in novel habitats. Pathogen invasion ay maaring magresulta sa paglitaw ng mga bagong sakit na complicated na nagpapakita ng mga major challenges para sa sustainability ng future animals agriculture sa global level. Next. Next po. Human-wildlife conflict. Climate change intensifies human-wildlife conflict through habitat loss and extreme climate events forcing people and wildlife to share increasingly crowded spaces. As ecosystem change, people and wildlife roam farther in search of food, water, and resources. Human-wildlife conflict often result in devastating impact for the animals affected. Kaya ng mga sinabi kanina na may mga malaking impact ang climate change sa pamumuhay ng mga tao at animals. Next. What can be done? We must first admit that climate change is everyone's problem. No agency, government, or scientist can fix it for us. We are all in this together. We got here because of our lifestyle, so our lifestyle has to change. Totoo din naman na walang masisi, kundi sarili din natin dahil sa mga self-interest natin na may mga negative effects. Next. Conserve water. Take shorter water. Install low flow shower head. Fix leaky. Conserve in the car. Walk or bike. Make sure your engine is properly tuned. Keep your tires properly inflated. Next. Conserve electricity. Unplug chargers for cell phones and other appliances when not in use. Change to compact fluorescent bulbs. Get in the habit of turning light and appliances off. Reduce waste. Recycle and buy recycled products. Choose products that have less packaging. Reuse, repair, or donate. And don't buy unless you really need it. You really need it. Carry cloth bags when shopping. Then use refillable travel mug or water bottle. Next po. Yan lang po. Thank you.